Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So this is gonna be another packing video, but this time it's gonna be a bit different because instead of my usual Osprey Farpoint 40-liter backpack, I'm actually only bringing a personal item for a 2-week trip.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm!
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
So yeah, that's definitely gonna be a challenge. I have planned already what I will be packing with me, so let's see if I can fit it. As my backpack I will be bringing this Osprey Sportlite 25-liter backpack. I just got it from Osprey. This is not sponsored, by the way, I just purchased it myself, or actually I will thank Juuso, my boyfriend, for this because he gave me a gift card which allowed me to purchase this. This will be my first trip that I will be bringing this backpack on, so I can't really say much about it yet, but it feels really high quality as usual with Osprey's items. So I'm very excited for it. It has this airscape like mesh back, and it also has a place for a water, like one of those camelbacks bags, the water like reservoirs. I'm not gonna be bringing one of those because I will be bringing my water bottle, but it's also great if you are going hiking or something like that. Yeah, it has one like big compartment, one like mid-sized compartment which goes all the way through the backpack, and then it also has this super small, which is great for like phones, wallets, sunglasses, stuff like that. So yeah, gonna be interesting. Let's see how this goes. So I'm filming this in September 2022. The reason why I will be bringing only a small backpack is because I am traveling with Ryanair and they only allow you to take a personal item if you don't want to pay extra for one of those like carry-on sized like bags. I will be traveling to Portugal. I will be doing a 1-week surf camp, which is going to be super exciting, and then I will be just traveling around Lisbon and Porto for the remaining 1 week. So with that being said, I still need to bring some warm clothing or warm layers because the nights and evenings in Portugal in September can be a bit chillier, not like cold, but not super warm either. So here I have everything laid out here. This is my backpack, and then the stuff that I will be wearing on the flight is one black tank top, one like this jeans long sleeve shirt. It's not really jeans material, it just looks like that, but it's like an oversized one, and then these like long flowy pants. So this is like my only jacket type thing, but I will also be bringing this thicker sweater which will be super warm and I can layer them up if needed. One thing that I want to point out is that for this trip I'm actually only bringing one pair of shoes, which will be my Birkenstock sandals. So I have the Birkenstock, I think it's the Arizona Eva or something like that. It's the waterproof Birkenstocks. So yeah, those will be my only shoes. So for underwear and bikinis, here in this packing cube I have 2 pairs of bikinis, 3 socks, because even though I'm bringing only sandals, I still want to have warm socks if needed, and also 6 pairs of undies. I will also be going through what is in this bigger packing cube. Then of course have this Travel-on, no, I think it's Travel-on, yeah, Travel-on toiletry case with all my toiletries. Then instead of my Peak Design tech pouch, I will be bringing just this super thin pouch with some cords and chargers and stuff like that. Then I also have one canvas bag, like tote bag, which will be good for like just everyday use. I also should have another tote bag. I have another tote bag for like dirty laundry thing. Then I will be doing some work from Portugal, so that's why I will be bringing my MacBook and the charger, of course, my headphones, because I'm not going anywhere without my Bose noise cancelling headphones. Then like a bum bag thing, one face towel, and then just a Turkish hammam or Turkish towel, which is really good because it's like super tiny. Then of course I will be bringing my camera with the charger, my GoPro with the stick, three-way stick, my sunglasses, my usual regular glasses. In this pouch I have my shampoo and conditioner. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I love, like, this is like a shampoo and conditioner bar, which is super good for traveling. A brush, of course, and a rain jacket in case it's rainy, and of course my phone charger, passport, my lip balm, and a locker, like lock for hostels. Yeah, that's everything. Let's go through the clothing in this packing cube. So this is the packing cube from Eagle Creek, and it's the medium sized, and it's a compression packing cube, which means that it compresses with zippers. So I can't pack it like super full because it wouldn't fit in my bag and it wouldn't compress. But in here I have one cap. Oh, here's the tote bag that I will be using for laundry, so just a regular really thin black tote bag. One black tank top, one black t-shirt, one black cropped t-shirt, which is like a tighter fit, and then the tank top that I will be wearing on the flight. So that's 4 tops, that's all my tops. For like pajamas, I will be bringing like a this is a super long t-shirt, because I think it's like a size 3XL, so it's super big, but it's great because I don't need to wear pants with it. And I have 3 pairs of shorts, which might seem a bit overkill, but that's what I'm doing. So 1 pair of like these flowy shorts, 1 pair of these beige, like just like a regular, I don't know, just plain short, and then sport shorts from Nike. And then for like longer pants, the flowy pants that I will be bringing on the flight or wearing on the flight. So that's all my clothing. So let's put these all into the packing cube. So my big packing cube that has all of my smaller clothing items. And actually, instead of rolling, I just lay everything as flat as possible to just make use of the most space. That's what I found the most useful right now. That's everything. So as you can see, it compresses quite a lot, which is super useful for times like these when the space is super limited. So my big packing cube goes straight in here. My laptop goes like to the back of the backpack. Then my smaller packing cube goes in super there. my towel goes. I'm just trying to stuff everything super close to the bottom of the bag. So I still have quite a lot of space here. My toiletry pouch goes quite at the top. I want to have this tote bag like easily available, so I'm gonna put it in this small compartment. In here I will also be putting my passport, my wallet and my phone. So just my passport for now. My small towel for my face also goes in here in the big compartment. So this is like the mid-size compartments, and I will be putting all of my like these are my camera charger and my laptop charger. They go in the mid-size compartment because they don't fit in this super small pouch. And this, by the way, has some smaller ports, a small lens, an ND filter, my SD or SSD and my USB-C hub. So that's in here, and that will also go in the bigger compartment. My GoPro also goes in the mid compartment, and so does this lock, because there's a small place here where I can put it. Then I also have some Dr. Bronners, so I can wash my clothes and everything else I need to get washed, and some lens multi-purpose solution for my contact lenses. So that's in a separate bag because I don't want them to leak. And then of course my shampoo and conditioner bar, so somewhere in here. And then my raincoat goes in one of the side pockets. I will also be bringing up my water bottle. I don't have it right here, but that's also gonna go in the other side compartment. So I have two side. This bag has two stretchy side compartments. So one for my rain jacket and one for my water bottle. Then this bag also has this outside pocket, which doesn't really close, but it's good for loose items like my sweater, for example. So that's gonna go here. And that's everything. Oh gosh. So here she is. It's packed and ready to go for 2 weeks in Portugal. So it's definitely a little bit heavy, but it has very good straps and carrying system, so I think it'll be good. Only place where I really need to stuff it this full is when I'm actually boarding the plane. Otherwise I can just use my tote bag to carry around when I'm moving from one place to the other. So yeah, it's gonna be all good, I think. But yeah, at least now I know that all my stuff fits in this bag, and with my camera I will be just bringing it as like hanging loosely outside. That has worked fine for me so far, so I think it will be fine. So yeah guys, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in Portugal. Bye!